and welcome to Crafting with Jane. I'm not crafting, am I? No, I'm sitting in my back room, literally just sitting contemplating on what I'm going to do going forward. Today is the 2nd of December and it is my birthday, and I thought, you know what, I've done lots and lots and lots. In fact, I've done over 1,000 videos. I can't remember exactly how many over 1,000, but well over 1,000 videos now. And I think I've probably done just about everything you can think of with card making, which is what I tend to do, and some scrapbooking and some projects and some 3D things and all of those sorts of things. And I'm very lucky. I've got over 7,000 subscribers, but I'm only getting 100, 150 views out of those 7,000. So for some reason, what I'm doing now is not, the algorithms on YouTube are not liking it. It's not getting promoted. So I thought, okay, what am I going to do going forward? I don't know. I've still got lots of craft things. I'm incredibly lucky. I'm on the design team for Indigo Blue, which is an English stamp making company. All of the stamps are red rubber. They do inks and paints and papers and all sorts of other things. Absolutely fantastic. I love their products. I've been doing a lot of cards and things and projects using their products, but again, it's something that people don't seem to be overly interested in them. Don't get me wrong, I have some amazing subscribers. I've got 3 or 4 that give me a comment, give me a thumbs up every single time I post a video, and I'm so grateful to those people. You know, they've been with me, some of them almost right from the beginning. So I've been doing my YouTube channel for, I don't know, 7 years, maybe 8 years, something like that, and they've been with me the whole time. So I'm very, very grateful for them. So I want your ideas really going forward of what to do. I'm 65 years old. As I said, it's my birthday today. I am a frugal person, so I live a fairly simple life. I love my crafting. I knit, I sew, I cook, and I cook things from scratch. I'm very much a make, do and mend, that sort of generation. So if anybody is interested in any of those sorts of things, you know, how to live quite frugally, how to shop, you know, what I buy, what I cook, how I eat, all of those things. If you're interested in that, then let me know. If you're interested in other sort of projects and things, so, you know, from sewing and crochet and things like that. I'm not quite sure how I could show you all of the crocheting things on YouTube, but I'm sure I could have a go. If you want to carry on seeing more card making, fantastic. If you're a Stampin' Up enthusiast and you've been with Stampin' Up and are still, you know, love the Stampin' Up products, I've got 300 odd stamp sets going back I don't know how long. I'm not a demonstrator anymore. I haven't been for a couple of years, probably 3 years now, but I still use some of their products. If you are an Indigo Blue fan, then I'd love to hear from you as well. It's really important in Facebook, YouTube, that you like, comment, share, all of those things that so many people say on every video. I don't edit. I very rarely edit. Sometimes I do if something's going on for way too long, but normally I don't edit at all. I just keep it real and just sit and show you a project from start to finish, warts and all. So if there's mistakes and things, I show you how to rectify them. But again, if you are interested in other things, just let me know. I thought it'd be quite nice to maybe do a vlog, a video log, once a week, and just tell you what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and all of those sorts of things. So, you know, being my birthday today, it's a Monday, which obviously is a weekday. So I celebrated with my my 2 grown-up boys and families. I was lucky to have one of them came round with family, and we had a fish and chip supper. I really love fish and chips, and I don't buy them for myself because it's a real treat. So it's the sort of thing that once a year I get a fish and chip supper. I was spoilt with beautiful flowers, absolutely stunning flowers. I've got beautiful roses. I'm sitting looking up there because I've got a lovely, beautiful display of a dozen roses, all different colours. So they're real sort of autumnal colours, which are rather nice. In fact, I might even be able to, let's see if I can just pick the vase up. Excuse me, get completely off of shot, but have a look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Just absolutely, that's the wrong way round. I've done them this way. So you can see all of the beautiful, I love roses, absolutely lovely roses. And look at the colours of some of these. They are just beautiful. Look at the orange of that one, and the reds and things. They're really lovely. And then I've got another huge display of flowers. Again, lovely sort of autumnal colours. And they are in the front room, so I'm not going to show you those on this time round, because this is just me sort of sitting here talking to you, and just sort of turning around and saying, you know, what's the way forward. I always think at this time of year, approaching Christmas time, it's the time that, you know, if you are on your own, like I am now, I'm very lucky that I have my family fairly close by. So I have both my sons and their wives and their my grandchildren. They all live fairly close by, so I'm very lucky. I've got friends who've got family who are across the other side of the world. One of my friends, her family, her daughters, one's in Australia and the other's in New Zealand. So, you know, she gets to see them maybe once every 3-4 years. And so I know I'm very lucky. But it's a time of year where you either have lots and lots of celebrations and spend time with family, or it's a time where it can be a little bit lonely because, you know, you sort of think, well, what am I going to do for Christmas? I don't particularly want to buy in lots of food. I don't want to buy in, you know, lots of things that aren't particularly good for me. And, you know, I'm somebody, I don't drink. So, you know, alcohol is something that's never really bothered me. And I think the main reason for that was that when my, having 2 boys, when they were growing up, if they ever went out for an evening when they were sort of teenagers and things, I would always say to them, if you have any problems in getting back, you know, if you're not with your friends, if you can't get back or whatever time of the evening it is, whatever time of the morning it is, you know, late at night, just give me a call and I will come and pick you up. So it never ever happened, and they always managed to get back. But being a mum, I thought, you know, I'm not going to drink, because if I have to drive, I wouldn't. And then, you know, later on, when I went out with friends, I would normally be duty driver. So again, I didn't sort of drink. So I'm not really fussed with it. It's not that I don't drink. So on Christmas Day, if I was round and I was being given a lift to one of the family, then I might have, you know, a glass of Bucks Fizz or something like that with my Christmas dinner. But as a rule, I don't buy alcohol. And I don't sit and have a drink on my own. I don't eat, I try not to eat any processed food. So that's one of my big things. I cook everything from scratch, and I try and cook seasonal. So we're into winter now. So I'm cooking a lot of, you know, root vegetables. So parsnips and swedes and carrots and turnips, and I tend to sort of pad it out with some lentils, and I'll do different sort of stews and things like that. So again, if you're interested in recipes, I'm more than happy to sort of show you some of my cooking, which might be quite fun. As I say, I'm open to ideas. I know I'll put this out and I'll probably only get the normal few that always like and comment and share, will come and give me a comment. But there's over 7,000 of you out there. So if any of you, you know, get this video coming up, please have a look at it and turn around and give me your opinion of what you think I should do. So that's all I'm going to do for now. We're at 10-11 minutes, which is quite long enough for this first one. And see what you think, see what your comments are. And as I say, I shall be back doing something very soon. So as always, please stay safe and well. Please be kind, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.